Welcome to IS6FX tutorial video. In this video, we will show you how to request a withdrawal from your Introducing Broker partner's account on a Windows PC. Visit our website and log into your partner account. You will then be redirected to the IB dashboard. Click on Withdrawal. To withdraw money, you need to register your bank account first. Click on Registration Information. Next, you will be taken to the Add Bank Withdrawal Account page. Fill in all the required beneficiary information and then click on the Register button. Review all the entered information carefully. Click Register again to confirm. You will then see the menu. Go back to the Withdrawal section. Click on Bank Selection and choose your bank. Enter the withdrawal amount. Then click Withdraw to complete the process. Congratulations! You have successfully submitted a request for an IB withdrawal. Thank you for choosing IS6FX Partner. We wish you success.